Okay, thank you so much, Swati and Sweta, for joining the session. Let's get started. Jump into the Power BI original sessions. Okay, before going to the uh, actual Power BI and what is Power BI and why it is useful to the why it is important and how its market trend as of now. We will discuss about these points. Then later on, to we will see how we can install the Power BI. Okay, yeah. If someone asks, even it is important in interview point of view, what is Power BI? Normally, people ask, right? What is SSRS? What is SSAS? What is Python? What is some Excel? Something. Yes, like that. What is Power BI? Power BI is a one visualization tool or reporting tool or interactive reporting tool Microsoft provided by the Microsoft. Okay, I will redefine the statement. Power BI is a one interactive reporting tool which is provided by the Microsoft. By using the Power BI, we can make visualizations, then we can share it to the customers. This is the statement someone is expected if he or she asks what is Power BI. Okay, why is Power BI? Yes, to make the visuals, to make our to to visualize our data in the form of charts, if the form of table or matrix, to make some kind of visuals, we are using this Power BI. Then why should we go for the Power BI? Yes, there are many advantages. Okay, which is the open source. Open source in the sense anyone can use. For that, we need not to pay single rupee to the Microsoft, which is easily interacted to the data. We can simply ingest the data. Interactive in the sense we can simply ingest the data somewhere. Okay, to develop the reports, we have the data. It would be in the somewhere. Either it is the in database side, either it is in the text or CSV files, either it is in the cloud like AWS, Databricks, Azure, GCP, Google, SAP, cloud. Somewhere data should be there. Then only we can visualize the data, right? Okay, easily visualize the data. Okay, if you see Gartner chart, I mean, it takes the all the reporting tools, all the trending tools which analyze the its future. So on the Gartner chart, it is the top of the remaining other reporting tools. Okay. For now, Power BI is the competing with the Tableau, ClickSense. There are other reporting tools also, but currently these two are highly demanding in the reporting tool reporting. But compared to the Power BI, Tableau is the paid one. It is not a open source one. Yes, we can download and install it, which is valid only for the 30 days. After that, we cannot use the Power BI. Okay, but Microsoft Power BI Tableau Power BI is not like that. It is the open source. We can freely download and install it. Okay, we can use as long as we want. Okay, when it comes, there are some types of versions like Power BI Free, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium. In the desktop, in the local in the sense in your computer, everyone uses the same Power BI, not a difference of Pro. It is the Pro or Premium or something. Okay, once it gets differentiated once you publish or you upload your report to the cloud. In technical term, it is the Power BI services. So same report you are publishing somewhere. If you, let's say you develop the report, if you wanted to share this one to the customers or your colleagues or someone, somewhere you have to keep this report, right? If you keep in your if you keep this report in folder of your local machine, how can you share it? Either you should share it in the email, or either you should keep it in the one common folder which is accessible to the all your colleagues or all your customers, or you have to publish somewhere which is accessible to the everyone in the sense like people they want the report. Normally we keep this one into the workspaces, that is the Power BI services. Okay, I will okay, for to learn the Power BI we don't need any prerequisites, we don't need any programming, we don't need any knowledge of programming languages. It is actually it is the simple kind of a Excel, but slightly different than Excel. For that there is no need of any prerequisites. To excel or to be good at Power BI, SQL and Excel is the recommended ones, so that you will be very good at Power BI. Okay, that is the recommended ones, not a mandatory. Okay, but highly recommended SQL. Even compared to the in the market, Power BI resources get the good salary compared to the other one. Not only Power BI, even people who have data knowledge on and working experience in data science, Python, there are some highly highly recommended skills, right now, right? Those people get good salary. So everyone, we are all working for money only, right? So if you don't get money, no one will work, right? So Power BI resources currently will get good salary. So just I listed down some differences, some points why we go for the Power BI rather than the other one. Okay, even it is the better career opportunities. So even as in initial, okay, irrespective of startup, small, medium, enterprise organizations, every project, every organization will use the one reporting tool. Either it would be the SSRS or Power BI, Tableau, Excel. Even Excel, we can say it as a reporting tool. Any one of the reporting tool they should use. So it is if they use Power BI, it is very easy to develop the reports compared to the others. Even if they use Excel, Excel is not a thing, not an easy thing. We have to use complex formulas to get the data. To get the data in the sense to summarize the data. It is not an easy one. But compared to the other tools, Power BI is easy. Let's say to develop simple chart, this chart, if you develop the same chart in the SSRS, it would take 20 minutes. If they want 20 minutes, definitely. But in the Power BI, it is minutes. Just simply a drag and drop. That's it. Choose whatever visual you want. Across the world, it has a very large community. Since it is high demand skill. Most people, most of the people use this Power BI. So it has a openings in the across the world. Even people, some people tend to do some free service, some people tend to do some paid services, right? So they will open up the YouTube channels, they will open up the blogs, they will write some decks, sorry, some blogs. They add the free content over there so that others can get the knowledge and advantage of that one. Okay, it is, that is the one point. It is easy to connect your data. If your data would be, if your data sitting on the Excel or CSV or text file, or let's say if it is the database side, it is easy to connect. Okay, if there is a, in your project, if you are getting data from the multiple sources, some data from the Excel, some data from the CSV, some data from the SQL database, yes, you can club all those four data into the single place. Okay, that is the reason, I mean, that is the way we can connect the multiple data sources and club into the single point, single place. That is the Power BI. Okay, like that we can connect 100 plus data sources. Okay, even, okay, once your report is ready, sharing to the piece, sharing to the customers, it is easy, which does not require complex coding skills. Even by default, Power BI supports a few visuals. Okay, if frequently customers ask that, okay, I want something different visuals. Even customized visuals also Power BI will support. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, normally Power BI support all these visuals. If someone asks something different visuals, okay, we can get these visuals from the marketplace. Okay, for that we import from the file, get more visuals. You can import into the this is the marketplace. You can import it from the marketplace. If you know already someone using the slicer, let's say chislet slicer. Yeah, this is one kind of chislet slicer people will frequently use. You can add it up in your canvas. Even Power BI supports see, now you can use this visual into your report. Power BI supports Python and R visuals also. By writing Python and R script, we can use this visuals. See, R script, right? R, Python. Okay. Actually, Power BI gets released once in a month. So in that month, there would be new features would be added on. There would be new DAX functions added on. That is, there is Microsoft has separate team who particularly work on the only Power BI development. Okay, so now initial days in 2016 or some on that, there is no R and Python integration. Okay, later on they are added on. Okay, there are lot of functionalities added on month by month, month by month, month by month. Okay, you can see those features in the Microsoft website. I will show you. currently that is how it's a future. Okay, so what I wanted to say is learning Power BI is, if you are, if you have a IT background, that is also helpful. If you are non-IT background, if you wanted to switch from non-IT to IT, it is easy if you learn the Power BI compared to the other technologies. That is what I wanted to say. Okay, definitely even yourself only will sit in front of in interviews. You can, okay, you can tell, you can give the interviews if you very perfect at Power BI skills. Okay, learn some data warehousing concepts, learn some DAX concepts. You can do, you can crack your interview yourself only instead of depending on the others. Okay, yeah, let me go through the installation. How? Come, open the Google. Okay, before that, okay, yeah, as I said, Power BI gets released once in a month, right? Power BI latest updates are Power BI September features. September 2020 update. See, blogs, features and summary. A few days back, Power BI releases in September updates. See, these are the things that are released in the reporting side. Some improvement in the hierarchical access. Okay, like that. There are some new connectivity in the connectivities. These are the some services. Okay, you like that you can see August, like that you can see July and June. Let's go to the July and June. Come on, feature summary. New format, new format pane in the sense. Okay, we have only, yeah, this is the new this is the format pane. Okay, see, actually this from the June 2020 onwards, this icon is here. Earlier it is in the down, not here. If you already installed in your machine, if you don't update from the from June onwards, definitely your icon would be here in the somewhere in the down, not in the top. Okay, like that, new features are added on. Okay, now July. Please ask me if you have any doubt, if I am something hurry or paused, if you are not able to understand what I'm saying, if you get any doubt, please note it down or please post it in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, I will try to answer your questions. I want to see, show it in the July update. There is some field per, I mean, what I wanted to say is new DAX functions is added on. That is what I wanted to show. Okay, let me install the Power BI. Open up the Power BI, Google Power BI desktop download. Click on it. Click somewhere. Open it. See, here you would see this type of canvas. Now come here, Microsoft Power BI desktop, Microsoft for the Power BI mobile, on-premise gateway, all the things we will tell later. Report server, report builder. Now we are looking for the Power BI desktop. Click advanced and download options. Come here and click the download. It is the 64-bit and it is the 34-bit. You can choose the both, or you can choose the this one. Click on the next. Let me give me a few minutes. It is being downloaded. Once it is downloaded, we can install it. Okay. To know which version that currently we are using, come to know that one, come home, click on the help, click the about. See, currently I am using the July version 2.107.84 something. That is the monthly version, July 2022. Okay, got it? So you can see what is the version that you are currently using, like this. You can close it. Once it is downloaded, it won't ask anything. Simply click on the double a few clicks. Automatically it gets installed. Once I don't think it requires the restart. Maybe or may not. Once you installed it, from there on you can start using the Power BI desktop. Okay, Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, that is something different. We will discuss later that point later today. Okay, so normally we follow this kind of architecture in the over the next few days. This type of architecture, getting the data from the multiple sources and do modeling, do DAX, creating the DAX measure, all these things here, and publish it in the Power BI services. That is the place where we keep our report to share the customers or to share the peers, to share our colleagues, then share it to the customers. That's it. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. For now, this is what I have today. Okay. To install the Power BI, double click on it. Okay. There is a reason why I don't install now. I wanted. Sorry. Someone is talking. Okay. It won't take much time. It won't lead you any something different. It is easy. If you face any difficulties to install the Power BI, let me know. I will correct it. Okay, we have left only 5 minutes for today. Please ask if you have any questions. If you are not able to follow me or something, I will try to correct myself in the content wise, in the course wise, in the way I communicate with you. If you have any doubts, please free to ask.
What is Power BI report builder? Will it be in part of Power BI or
Okay.
advanced concept?
Okay. Normally nowadays you might have heard about the paginated reports, I believe, right?
Paginated reports.
Yes, actually it is. Did you hear that term, paginated reports?
In Power BI, I did not. I think I heard it in Cognos, I guess.
Okay. Even to develop the paginated reports, we use the Power BI builder. Actually, we are hurry when there is a new term concept in the some technology or something. Paginated reports is not a new thing. It is same kind of the SSRS reports, where we created the data source and data set, right? Here also, by using the Power BI data set, we can create the paginated reports. Like same expressions, what we use in the SSRS, same level, same kind of expressions, here we can use it in the report builder. Normally, people call it as a paginated reports. That's it. There is nothing new on it. If you know the SSRS, yes, you can say I developed the paginated reports. You can say confidently say that one. It is not a new
Like you are
term.
saying, not connecting the data sources will connect to the data set.
Come again.
Instead of connecting to the data sources like database.
No. First, you have to connect the data. Without data source, we cannot connect the data set actually. First, get the data, bring whatever you develop the model, publish it. There you can use the report builder to develop the paginated reports. Okay. Okay. One more important thing. I will, if you don't get my point, I will answer it. One more important thing, in Naukri, in any job searching portal, don't use only one term, that is the Power BI. Use the terms Power BI, DAX, report builder, paginated reports, data warehousing, okay, gateways. Use all these the terms, then only there are a lot of chances to pick your resume. If you use only Power BI, there are very less chances to get the calls. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. My name is Santosh. My question is like, will you be giving any assistance for placements, like building resumes and assistance during interview process? Like,
You
will you
mean to
be
say,
helping us out after the training is complete?
one second, within the minute it is closing, we can you please rejoin to answer your question, please, Santosh?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I
I can
request you.
rejoin for some
I
time.
request you all to join within a minute. Within a 5 minutes, we will close this one to answer that question. I don't want you
Sure,
to
sure.
start it mid.
Yeah, I can rejoin. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. One second.